and welcome to my first vlog. This is Dr. Prachi. Welcome to my vlog, guys. So I have not recorded my voice, so I'm going to give you a quick voiceover in every clip so that you can understand it. I'm from India and I've recently moved to Canada, Brampton ch, and we are heading to No Frills. No Frills एक grocery store ch Brampton match. It's like 10 minutes from my place, so it's very convenient. So here a system છે that whenever you want a card, you have to insert $1.75. So we just entered No Frills and we are in search of noodles because we plan to make noodles for our dinner. અહીંયા બધી જ Indian items મળે છે, so no need to worry. You get each and everything here. I'm in search of soya sauce because I think that I will need it. This was a little expensive, so we got a very good deal. We got a soya sauce bottle in just $2. I was also looking for some more. We also get deal. Finally, we got our 2 packs of noodles and now we are heading to the counter for billing. So these are the 2 packs that we bought from No Frills. And look at the size of this capsicum. In Canada, you get capsicum of this size. It's so huge. You can use it twice, thrice. It's very big. Finished with my cooking and now enjoying my gatia. So after completing my dinner, we are heading to downtown Toronto because I'm new in Canada, so this was my first visit to downtown. Can you believe it's like 10 p.m. કેટલી લાઇટ છે? બાકી ઇન્ડિયામાં તો it's like 7 and it's dark.
Center. Indoor.
After reaching Toronto, we ended up here in Distillery District. It's a pedestrian friendly. Streets were so beautiful and streets were lined with music, dance, bars, boutiques and restaurants. The vibe of this place was very beautiful and I clicked so many pictures. I'll just show you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.